back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a bag Shopee haul. So it's been a while since I did a Shopee video haul. So now we're just gonna rewind and bring it back. I actually missed this type of videos kasi way before pandemic, we've been doing Shopee hauls here in the YouTube platform. So if you've been following me for a while, way before pa, you know that I always do Shopee hauls. So now we're gonna make a new one. And this time around, it's gonna be specifically for bags. So for girls like me that likes to dress up, ganyan, syempre, you always need a bag to pair with your outfits. Iba-ibang type yung style na binili ko just to, you know, mix and match everything. Iba-iba siya ng color, ng style, just to pair kung ano man yung kailangan mo for your outfit. So if you like bags or you still have no idea kung ano yung gusto nyong bag na bilhin from online shops, which is Shopee, this video is for you guys. Start with the first one. So this bag is more on the casual side. So I had this bag way before pa. So isasama ko lang siya dito sa vid na to para lang din magkaroon kayo ng idea. So for our first bag, we have this kind of bag. More of a baguette bag na super casual kasi yung type of material niya is yung flimsy, pang night out, pang lunch, or pang errands type of bag. So it's a color red kasi I opted for a pop of color since I always wear neutral colors. Kaya pinili ko to para pangbasag siya and para lang at least if I'm wearing just plain white top and a denim pants, pop of color. So pangbasag siya. And I really like this kasi ang dami mong pwedeng ilagay dito. So I used this nung nag-Olivia Rodrigo concert kami, yung Guts Tour. So ito yung dinala ko since I need to bring a lot as a girl na gusto ko madami ako laging dala. Kasya dito lahat. Power bank, may ponytails, clamps, phone, wallets, glasses. So madami akong nalagay dito pang touch-up na makeup, ganyan. Maliit siyang bag, but the inside is very, very spacious. So, napakadami mo talagang pwedeng ilagay. May wipes pa tong kasama, tissue, ganyan. So, kasya na lahat dito. So, if I'm going out and I need to bring a lot of things, ito na lang yung dinadala ko since very secure din siya kasi may zipper siya. So, this is what I mean when I said pop of color kasi look at that color. Hindi siya super bright red. It's more of a burgundy, maroon, deep color ng red. Kaya, ang ganda lang niya ibagay sa mga outfits. So, ayan. So, kahit ano, pwede mo ilagay dito sa bag na to. So, yeah. This is the first bag. So, for the second bag, let's start off with this one. So, nagamit ko na to. This one is, I don't know the exact type of bag it is, kung ano yung tawag sa kanya. It's like a mini tote bag kasi it's not too big but not too small. Just the right size. So, it's a color brown and first brown bag ko to. And super cheap, guys. Shopee bags are so cheap but sobrang cute. As in, very trendy talaga yung mga bags sa Shopee. So, nandito pa yung mga gamit ko since kakagamit ko lang nito. Since it's a mini tote, if you also like to bring a lot of things, perfect. Kasi ang laki niya and very spacious yung loob. And what I like about this is the color. Like I said, ito yung first kong brown bag and ang ganda niyang i-pair with any types of clothes. As in, if you're wearing something like more of a casual type of outfit and you pop this on, like, you're so chic. Like, sobrang nakaka-chic yung vibe ng bag na to. Like, alam mo yun, like, nakakaganda siya and hindi siya yung super formal na bag. Ayan, flimsy din yung bag. Wala, ang cute lang niya. I feel so babae. I feel so chic when I'm wearing this. And ginamit ko kasi to sa school ng sister ko since ako yung naging proxy ng parents ko. And ang reaction lang naman ng mga classmates niya is I look like a rich tita. Kasi suot ko to and naka-black ako in denim pants. So, mukha daw akong rich tita. So, yun yung vibe na binibigay ng bag na to. Very perfect lang din for any type of occasions. Kayo nang bahala, guys. But I'm just giving you ideas. So, ayan. I like this. I like this bag. But gusto tong kunin ng mother ko. We'll see. Maghihiraman na lang kami. So, for our next bag, we have this super simple na nylon bag. So, ayan. Gusot-gusot pa siya kasi kaka-open ko lang ng package na to. It's just a simple bag na walang zipper but only a magnet button. Perfect for casual, errand type of outfits. Kasi super ano lang niya, yung mabilisang bag. Like, bibili ka lang ng groceries or bibili ka lang ng coffee, ganyan. Perfect. So, maliit lang siya. Spacious din. It has a zipper here so you can put here your valuable things like your wallet or your phone. So, meron lang siyang nakalagay na print here. But I feel like this is just perfect sa mga pang-tamad outfits ko. Kasi there are days na gusto ko lang yung super casual, laid-back outfit lang. And it's black. So, it's perfect sa kahit anong outfit. So, pwede mo siyang ibagay sa kahit na anong outfit na gusto mong suotin. So, this is what it looks like. Actually, it's also perfect for night out if you like going out with your friends at night. Since it's black, so maganda kasing magsuot ng mga dark colors when it's nighttime. So, perfect siya for dinner nights, ganyan. Or mag-drinks kayo ng friends mo, ganon. So, yun yung vibe na binibigay ng bag na to. Sakto lang din yung size niya. Not too big, not too small. So, this is the third bag. We're now on our third. Yeah, third bag to. So, this is the third bag. Actually, I'm not expecting with this one kasi super mura lang din ito. I think it's only 99 pesos. But, ang ganda. Like, yung strap pa lang, parang nakakababae, ganun. For the fourth bag, I opted for another pop of color. I already had the color beige of this bag, as in itong exact na bag na to. And gusot-gusot pa siya since kaka-open ko lang din ito. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng wipe sa loob para magkaroon siya ng platform. So, this bag, meron ako ng beige nito way before pandemic, since nung nauso yung mga Shopee hauls, ganyan. Nakabili na ako ng ganun. But, nung nakita ko siya, and I realized na wala pa akong blue color na bag. So, why not opt for another pop of color? It's a bright blue. I mean, it's a baby blue. So, this is what it looks like. Pag suot mo siya. It's a baguette bag. So, very cute lang din to if you wanna go for yung mga simple, cute outfits, ganyan. Wearing light colors, then you pop this on for a pop of color. Ayan. Feeling ko, kukunin to ng sister ko. So, para din sa mga school girlies out there na gusto lang ng simple bag, para may masuot sila whenever they're gonna go to school. Casual days lang, like may kailangan lang abyatin, ganyan. Gusto mo lang ng forma, ganyan. So, I think this is perfect. It's color blue. It's a baguette bag. You can never go wrong with a baguette bag. So yeah, that's it for our fourth bag. So this is the fourth bag, guys. Let's move on to the fifth one. So for the fifth bag, I'm really excited about this kasi hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. But I've been eyeing this type of bag. Like, it's so small. Like, kasi laki lang siya ng kamay ko, guys. And it's color brown. Again, of course. Wala kasi akong bag. Like, yung literal na wala kang gagawin. Wallet lang ang laman niya. Or tissue, ganyan. Lipstick. So, pag sisimba kasi kami, wala akong magamit na bag na super liit na hindi ko naman kailangan ng malaking bag. So, lagi ako nangihiram sa mami ko. I decided I needed a bag na pang simba, ganyan, or yung ayokong magdala ng madaming gamit. I just need my wallet and my phone and I'm good to go. This is the bag. Literally so small. Like, ito lang yung space niya. You can put your wallet, lipstick, alcohol, tissue maybe, and it's a crossbody bag. So, it's not a shoulder bag, gaya ng mga pinakita ko sa inyo. So, this one, it has a strap. Ang ganda ng color nito, nakakababae din. Like, nakaka-Kelsey Merritt, ganon. Kelsey Merritt. So, this one is a cross-body bag. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ang cute! Kasi sobrang liit niya. Sobrang simple ng outfit mo and you just wanna add an accessory like this bag. So, you can remove the straps and you can bring it like this or you can wear the strap like this. I can imagine this with a simple laid back, like I'm wearing a dress or a top with a long skirt and I'm just wearing this one. So, very cutesy, very demure. Gusto pa ba yun? Hindi na yun gusto. So, you can remove the strap. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. It's easy to remove. Yan. So, you can wear it like this. So, this is the type of bag that you can wear on formal occasions, I guess. Kasi, pwede mo alisin yung strap niya and you can just carry it like this. Like, sobrang cute niya. Meron kang event na pupuntahan and you just need a small bag just to put your lipstick in it. Ganda ng brown. Sobrang chic. Sobrang timeless ng color niya. Isa dito sa favorite ko. So, in fairness with this one ha, as in sobrang structured nung itsura nung bag. Like, walang any sira, ganun. Sobrang precise. Ang ganda nung shape. Hindi siya yung flimsy. Form talaga siya. Leather. So, ang ganda. Let's move on to the last bag. So, I saved the best for last kasi it's the first time na I had this type of bag. Hindi ako bumibili ng ganitong bag, guys. For the last one, we have this very ragged na bag. So, madami siya kasi berloloy. Alam mo yun, ang daming nangyayari sa kanya. Meron siyang many holes. Then, meron siyang mga palawit here. So, ang daming nangyayari sa kanya. So, that's why I called it a ragged bag. But it's my first time to have yung ganitong bag. I just feel like kaya ko na siyang style. So, I got this in white. It looks more like a cream color. In person, cream yung color niya. I feel like maganda tong pang party. So, that's the specific reason why I bought this bag. Kasi wala akong pang party na bag. So, kaya ako naisip tong bag na to kasi we have an upcoming Christmas party and our theme is disco night. And I think it's perfect for disco night kasi ito yung mga type of bags na parang pang sinauna, like Y2K, ganyan. So, I feel like it's gonna be perfect for my outfit. So, wala pa akong outfit. I'm just nag-iisip na ng ideas. That's why I bought this bag. And gaya nga sabi ko, wala pa akong ganitong type of bag. And I feel like I'm gonna be using it a lot. It's also very nakakababae, guys. And sobrang mura, guys. Shopee bags. So, just imagine me at parties and I'm wearing this bag and I'm just like... So, I was supposed to bring this sa LU kasi we just got back from LU. But, ang dami na kasing laman ng maleta ko and ayoko na lang pampasikip. That's why hindi ko siya dinala. But, ang cute niya sana for the outfits, pang picture, ganyan. So, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, guys. So, this is the last bag. Sobrang cute. It's so new. It's so not me. But, let's go. Let's experiment. So, that is it for the 6 bags that we have from Shopee. So, ayan. That's it for the whole bags. Ang ganda nilang lahat. Ang mumura pa, guys. So, that is it for our Shopee haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and sana nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo, especially on thinking about what to get na bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me or more of our Shopee hauls. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on my next one.